Hey guys, Richard here. Now, this video is a very quick video on my thoughts if the Google Pixel 7 Pro can be used as a travel vlogging tool, a lifestyle tool, or even just, to film your first YouTube videos or your YouTube videos already. Now, I'm gonna go straight into it. Initial thoughts, it definitely does hold itself with other budget, cameras you could say. Obviously, it won't replace a DSLR, it won't replace, a GoPro if you want to do action video shots and stuff like that, even vlogging potentially. But as a phone and a combination with a video camera, it does its job. As you can see here, this is a 4K/60 FPS example of the clip. And honestly, it does pretty well. Obviously, there's a few problems with it. For example, it does get a bit blurry and does get a bit pixelated. It also, the color isn't that, it doesn't capture color that well compared to other video cameras. And I mean, the autofocus here you can obviously fix with the setting. I'll do a GoPro comparison in a second, but in my opinion, it does pretty well by itself. And if you're just looking for something budget, but you also need a phone, this could be it. Like, you don't have to go and buy out another video camera. You can just literally buy a phone and you can record your videos with this. I think from a travel vlogging perspective and even from a YouTube perspective, it can do the job. Obviously, you won't be able to beat the big budget tools out there, but for the most part, it does pretty well. Now let's roll the GoPro comparison here. Now, in my opinion, the Hero 8 obviously does a lot better. It captures color better. It's a lot more stable, and it has a widescreen. For reference, there is a stabilization feature for the Pixel 7 Pro. But the wide screen of it, for example, the 0.6 here, you can only use the standard stabilization. You can't use the ultra stabilization, whatever it's called. But overall, you can see here that it does it pretty well against the Hero 8. It even captures the blue in the clouds pretty well as well. In my opinion, it's a really nice budget option if you're in the market for a phone and you also want to record videos, in my opinion, right? Now, obviously, this is just from my week of using it. I probably will be able to find more different settings that could even help my recording. I'll do another follow-up video later in the year when I do some travels in Korea and Japan, which will be super exciting. But in my opinion, this is a pretty good budget alternative. If you came to this video and you just wanted a straight answer, in my opinion, go for it. Obviously, the Pixel 7 Pro is pricey in a way, but you are buying a phone with it as well. So in my opinion, definitely go into this with the kind of the thought process that you are buying 2-in-1 rather than you are buying a video camera or you're buying a phone, right? For example, because you are not buying this Pixel 7 Pro just for the video camera, right? It is mainly for the phone, but the added bonus that it can turn into a video camera for your vlogging if need be. So my final thoughts, tick of approval, definitely something you can definitely get for your, travel vlogging or etc. Or your YouTube videos if you're just starting out, even if you are recording already. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment below what you think about this video camera, and I'll see you next video.